compact body, can be transported in a general container. Simple and high-grade appearance. Top-mounted independent air inlet. Top exhaust air outlet. Suspended large capacity fuel tank. Suspended large capacity fuel tank. Independent air filter intake system. Wide body accessible access door panel. High stability steel exhaust and oil piping. High strength axle assemblies. Forklift support. External AdBlue filling port. HD colors, green LED controller, integrated GPS positioning and GPRS remote control function, integrated AutoFall.